Good morning, students. Welcome to the IL tutorial. Let's discuss the third applications. Third application of dimension. To establish the relation between the physical quantities, to establish the relation between various physical quantity. Various physical quantity. If we know the factors on which the given physical quantity may depends. If we know the factors on which the given physical quantity may depends, we can find the formula relating to the quantity with those factor. We can find formula relating the quantity with those factor. We can find, to establish the relation between the various physical quantity, if we know the factors on which the given physical quantity may depends, we can find the formula relating to the quantity with those factor. Okay, we will see with this some problem. In this formula we will use in this third application we will use the principle of homogeneity, that is already discussed. Let's write. The frequency of stretched string frequency of stretched string depends on the tension F, length L of the string, length L of the string, and mass m per unit length of the string. These are the three factors on which the frequency of the stretched string depends. We have to find the formula for this. Okay, so we can simply apply that principle of homogeneity. Okay, this is the question. The frequency of the stretched string depends on the tension F, length L of the string, and mass m per unit length of the string. So we have to find the formula. Okay, so let's see. Assume the dimension of force, that is tension, is A, mass B, and your length and mu, इसका डायमेंशन हमें एज्यूम करते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स सी F depends on tension raised to power A. F depends on mass and third part, this is F depends on the tension raised to power A and depends on L raised to power B and mass per unit raised to power C. Tension, this is length raised to power B. F depends on mass per unit length raised to power C. These are the three factors. This is tension, length and mass. These three factors are affecting the frequency. So I am writing mathematically this equation, that is F proportional to frequency, that is frequency proportional to F, that is tension A, next L, B, mass per unit length mu, C. Introduce a proportionality constant is equal to K F to the power A L power B mu power C. This is from the previous discussion. Now let's apply that dimensions of each. We can write here F is equal to K force MLT minus 2 power A LB LT minus 1 mu, that is C. Now frequency is nothing but 1 by time period, so dimension of this frequency is m0 L0 t minus 1. Okay, so let's write here m0 L0 t minus 1 is equal to m L t minus 2, this is L to the power B, this is L t minus 1 to the power C. Now apply, this is A, apply that principle of homogeneity. What happened? A is equal to A plus C. I want to write L to the power A plus C to the A plus C is equal to 0. From the principle of homogeneity we can write some equation A plus C is equal to 0. Next we can write A plus B minus C, A plus B minus C this is a plus b minus c for next equation is equal to 0. T to the power minus 2a, we can write that LT minus, this is MLT minus of a, this is MLT minus of 1. Okay, so after solving, m to the power a plus c, where it come, LT minus 1, this is ML minus 1, this is not T minus 1, this is ML minus 1. Mass per unit length now, ML minus 1, this is ML minus 1. Okay, so remove this ML minus 1. Now write the equations. A plus c is equal to 0. Next, a plus b minus c, length a plus b minus c, L to the power a, L to the power b, L to the power minus c. So what happened? A plus b minus c is equal to what? L to the power 0 equate to 0. Next, 2a. So what happened? T to the power minus 2a and t to the power minus 1. Remaining all the terms, there is no t. So minus 2a is equal to minus 1. Minus 2a is equal to minus 1. So a will be 1 by 2. So if a is 1 by 2, c will be minus 1 by 2. Simple. From this equation, a is equal to 1 by 2, then c is equal to minus 1 by 2. We are left with b. So what happened? Put here. So b is equal to nothing but your b is equal to minus 1. Is it so? B is equal to minus 1. C is equal to minus 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. I want to write b. So a plus b minus of c. So what happened? Put that value from here. This is a is equal to 1 by 2. B is equal to, we have got what? We have to calculate plus b minus of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So what happened? This is plus, b is equal to minus 1. So what we have got? 3 dimensions जो पावर है हम लोग को निकल गया a b c. A is equal to 1 by 2, c is equal to minus 1 by 2, b is equal to minus 1. So let's put this. F is equal to k F L mu. This is C, that is minus 1 by 2. This is L, that is nothing but minus 1 B. F, that is nothing but 1 by 2. So after solving, we can write this as normal L, this is F. Okay, fine. So we can write L to the power minus 1 means 1 by L, means what? K by L. F is equal to K by L, you can write, and F to the power 1 by 2 mu to the power minus 1 by 2. So after solving, we get F is equal to 1 by 2L under root of F by mu. F by mu. This is the formula for a frequency of stretched string. We know, and the value of K is experimentally, it is find that the value of K is equal to 1 by 2. Experimentally it is find. So we have got F is equal to 1 by 2L F by mu. So this is the third application of your dimensions. Okay, we can continue with the limitations and some more problem with respect to dimensions. So this is all about the application. We will meet in next class. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe our YouTube channel Tile Tutorials.